Is clean today. Go Facebook Live.
No live.
Hello viewers.
No,
You
no
must check
live.
the too much rain in South Africa. Winnie Mandela, Tembisa.
Yes.
June 10. Rain too much. Only 2 minutes rain. You see, the Cape Town Sea are here now. It never go Cape Town. It's here. I see Cape Town now. Cape Town Sea.
Yeah, you can.
Everyone watch. You see, too much rain.
You can swim
Eh.
inside.
It's dirty water. How you can swim? It's a nice girl. You see the Cape Town
You can
Sea are
swim
here.
inside.
No, it must be tall. Okay.
Can't go this side, taxi.
Yeah.
Hey, Baba.
Too
Drive.
much water, you see? This
Jump
Cape Town
inside.
Sea are coming.
Jump inside.
You see?
Yeah.
Yeah. You see the taxi now? half.
Yeah.
You see? Half down. Hey. It's cleaning now. South Africa Winnie Mandela is cleaning.
Full of shit.
Yeah, it's cleaning, you see? Dirty water all. Check me.
Yeah. Jump inside. Then I make video. Yeah. Throw him inside. Throw him inside.
This is only 2 minutes. But it's cleaning. It's alright. Yeah, it's cleaning. Hey, come outside. Make a video again. Hey, yeah, come. He's laughing. Hey. What's wrong with it? Full of water, na? Okay.
Small Mukula.
Yeah.
Hey, Mukula. Hey, Mukula. Hey, Mukula.
Yeah, it's fine now. Video is fine. Adela. Yes, everyone. Finish.
This rubbish is coming this side. It's gonna stuck here.
Water is not going here. You don't have manhole.
This one is making
Bro.
problem.
Yeah, it's fine now.